All right, heal up. We want to talk about fast food and how it affect black people right now. You know, there was a time when I used to go to America, got tour enough, and you see some ladies on the road, them, you know, you say, wow, they look nice, you know them here, there? Yes, all right. You know, say I've recently, before the COVID, I've recently I go to America and I look on the woman, them, you know. I'm just say, wait, how them woman is so fat, Rasta? I mean, when I say fat, you know, I mean like, them look like a pyramid. I mean, I say, oh, and you look on the white woman, them, and them don't look so, you know. And most of the black woman, them, say that way there. No, me say, you know, say the fast food, at the fast food where them a go up long, you know. And me look on Jamaican woman and me I say, well, Jamaican woman still look good, you know, but I've recently me I say, no, Rasta, Jamaican woman gone the same way now. And me realize it's the same thing in Jamaica. The fast food. The fast food is causing us to lose perspective of ourselves. The fast food places like Kentucky and Burger King turn over more business than all of the other Kentucky them in the world, especially the one in Montego Bay. The one in Montego Bay is, man, when you pass a Montego Bay, all in the rain, people stand up. When you pass certain fast food place now, the drive-in line, you wonder is where going down the road if it's an accident or something. When you look at that line and going at the fast food restaurant them. And them advertise it in such a way that it's very difficult for these young people now recognize that it do something to them body that them now recognize right now, but later down the line. So you will tell them, say, no, them things are not good for you. And them say, no, sir. Because what? Most of them now cook again. Them not cooking. All them do is call and say, hey, when you come home, bring such and such, some chicken leg and some this and that for me. And them no cook. Most of them women, I won't say woman, most of them young people, the millennials, them not cooking at them yard. When at lunchtime, them gone at Burger King. When at dinner time, them gone at Kentucky. And look for how them stay now. Just look on the road and see the normal Jamaican woman where I walk up and down the road now. Every day when you see them I walk up and down. And look on them shape. Look on them shape. Some of them in some denim panty I walk on the road. That's all I can call it, denim panty, because it itch up underneath them every minute them have to dry it out of them crutches. And them wear there. I mean I say, then them not see how them stay, Rasta. Them not see how them stay. And when them done all of that, I say, why I have to go lose some weight? And them not doing nothing to lose the weight. Because them could have exercised a little more and still go to the fast food restaurant. Them going to stay the same way. Them not going to look different. And you can't tell them about eating good food. Them say, what you talk about? I have to have my chicken and my leg and this and that with whole heap of oil and preservative and all them something day night. It's crazy. It's crazy that black people start reach a say there. Because we never used to see so much fat people about the place. We never used to see so much fat people about the place, Rasta. Especially the female them. And now, from America to Jamaica to anywhere you say, black people there right now, them dress up in this false eyelash, false ear, false fingernail, and then them just look away, Rasta. But you can't talk too long about it. Because man will say, well, left the woman them alone. Yeah, left the woman them alone and then them do have no man. It's just that. We are warn them. Look where you eat. Because where you eat have a direct relationship to how you look physically and how you think mentally. It's just simple. It's just that you say, boy, you can't afford this and you can't afford that. You can afford it because you afford to go buy Chinese ear and fingernail and all them stuff. You can afford it. But that is not concerning you until later down the line when you start to go to the doctor. That's why doctor love black people so. Because we're dead there, I eat everything, I never go to the doctor. I say, boy, my belly hurt, man. The doctor just give you one tablet. I say, go home, go lay down. And it don't solve the problem. Your picnic get sick and you don't know where sick them. Because the doctor don't even know. You can't even tell the doctor what you did do before you come to the doctor. Most of the time, is the fast food. And we have to recognize how detrimental fast food is to black people because a whole heap of sickness where we have now, we never usually have it. We never usually have it. Out.